is transformation specific to implementing the entire recipe, and treat it like a drug addiction. Whatever is keeping you from implementing the entire recipe, if there's 10 steps in the recipe and you're doing 9 of them, but that one that you're not doing is keeping you from finishing your dream, from accomplishing what you've been working toward all this time, you cannot take that passively. You got to attack that thing like an enemy trying to take you out. Pull in your intervention team. An intervention team, like it was a drug addiction, and an intervention team includes supportive family members, supportive friends, and a professional. So that's the P. E stands for enjoy the fruits of your labor. Because when you remember your true identity, embrace your true desire, choose the right recipe, implement the entire recipe, prioritize your transformation, you get to now enjoy the fruits of your labor. Now the cake is finally done. The cake said it only took 30, 40 minutes, and it was taking 30, 40 years. It's not supposed to take 30, 40 years. It doesn't have to. It doesn't have to take 30 to 40 months if the recipe says 30 to 40 minutes. It doesn't have to take 30 to 40 weeks if the recipe says 30 to 40 minutes. It doesn't have to take 30 to 40 days if the recipe says it takes 30 to 40 minutes. And the recipe for 10K plus per month on autopilot takes 30 to 90 days or less. I should say 1 to 90 days if you're Melissa Collins, if you're an influencer. 1 to 90 days. If you become an influencer. So here's the thing. What adds to the 90 days? If you have to work on the P. Well, if any of these are missing, that's what takes more than 90 days. If you're not remembering your true identity, it can take you more than 90 days because you might be overcoming self-image issues like I had to overcome, or low self-worth issues like I had to overcome. You might be overcoming self-sabotage like I had to overcome. You might be overcoming negative self-talk in your identity. See, that's what adds to the 90 days. Maybe you're settling for something less than you truly desire. And that's taking you more because even though you're settling for what you think is realistic, it's not even giving you enough fuel to get that done.